students, you're going to learn 9th Maths Chapter 3 Algebra Exercise 3.13 Roman letter 1 Cross multiplication method. Solve by cross multiplication method. Still in previous class you have learned elimination method, substitution method. Now you are going to learn cross multiplication method. So method is mentioned, you have to use only that method. If method is not mentioned, you can use any method. So solve by cross multiplication method. 8x minus 3y equal to 12, 5x equal to 2y plus 7. So 8x minus 3y equal to 12. So for cross multiplication method, you have to make it as 0. Right hand side you have to bring it as 0. Constant you bring it as one side. So 8x minus 3y plus 12 become minus 12 equal to 0. 5x equal to 2y plus 7 is given. Same way 5x plus 2y transfer that side become minus 2y and plus 7 become minus 7 equal to 0. So you consider this as first equation. So 8x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. You consider this as equation number 1. So 5x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. You consider this as equation number 2. Use the coefficient for cross multiplication. Okay, that means x, y and constant is always 1. Okay, x, y constant. Okay, first you are going to take middle one. Okay, y coefficient, that is minus 3, minus 2. This is first one. Then second one you are going to take this, and third one, and again first one. Okay, so minus 3 to minus 12, minus 7, 8, 5, again minus 3 and minus 2. It's clear, children? Yes. Now you are going to use cross multiplication, right? So x divided by equal to y divided by, that is equal to 1 divided by. You write like this, children. Now I'm going to multiply this. Okay, so minus into minus plus, that is minus 3 into minus 7 minus of main diagonal minus subdiagonal, that is minus 2 into minus 12, minus 2 into minus 12. Same way, now minus 12 into 5, minus 12 into 5 minus 7 into 8, minus 7 into 8. So minus 7 into 8, that is equal to, okay, 8 into minus 2, 8 into minus 2, 8 into minus 2 minus subdiagonal. Okay, 5 into minus 3, 5 into minus 3. Okay, now we are going to calculate, children. So x by minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 21, minus into minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 12 2s are 24, that is equal to y divided by minus into plus minus, 12 5s are 60, minus to minus plus, 7 8s are 56, that is equal to 56. Okay, that is equal to 1 by plus into minus minus, 8 2s are 16, minus to minus plus, 5 3s are 15. So x divided by 21 minus 24 is minus 3, that is equal to y by minus 16 plus 56 is minus 4, that is equal to 1 by minus 1. It's clear, children? Now taking this x by minus 3 equal to 1 by minus 1, and next to this 2, y by minus 4 equal to 1 by minus 1. So x is equal to, you transfer that side, that is minus 3 by minus 1. So y is equal to, bring this side, minus 4 into 1 minus 4 by minus 1. So x is equal to, otherwise you put 1 like this. Okay, so x equal to minus 3 by minus 1. So x is equal to 3. Minus minus get cancelled. Same way y equal to minus 4 by minus 1. So y equal to 4. It's clear, children? Therefore the value of x, therefore the value of x equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. It's clear, children? Question number Roman letter 1, subdivision 2. Solve by cross multiplication method. Okay, children, now solution. 6x plus 7y minus 11 equals, already it is arranged. If you take equation number 1, so 5x plus 2y equal to 30. So 5x plus 2y plus 13 become minus 13 equal to 0. So we make it as 0 like this. Okay, now using the coefficient for cross multiplication. Use the coefficients. We're going to take coefficients for cross multiplication. It's clear, children? Now x, y and constant. Okay, so first you're going to take middle 7, 2 minus 11 minus 13, again 6, 5, 7, 2. It's clear, children? Now make diagonal. Plus into minus. So 7 into minus 13 minus 2 into minus 11. It's clear, children? Next step. Minus 11 into 5. Minus 11 into 5. Make diagonal. Minus formula subdiagonal. Minus 13 into 6. It's clear, children? Next step. 6 into 2. 6 into 2 minus 5 into 7. 5 into 7. It's clear, children? Now see. So x divided by plus into minus. 7 3s are 21, 2. 7 1s are 7. So minus 91. Minus to minus plus 22. That is equal to y by minus 55. Minus 55. Minus of minus 13. Okay, so minus 13. Minus into minus plus 6 3s are 18. 78. 78, that is equal to 1 by 6 2s are 12 minus 35, right? Okay, children, now x minus 91 plus 22 is minus 69. So y divided by minus 55 plus 78 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 5 is, 4 minus 7 minus 5 is 2 minus 23. Plus 23, that is equal to 1 by minus 5 minus 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, minus 23. Now, you are going to compare this 2 and this 2. That is x divided by minus 69, that is equal to 1 by minus 23. Y by 23 equal to 1 by minus 23. So, x is equal to 1 into minus 69 divided by 23, that is equal to x equal to minus 69 by 23. So x is equal to 23 how many times? Minus 23. Minus get cancelled. So x is equal to 23 how many times? 3 times. So 23 into 3, 69. So x is equal to 3. It's clear, children? Same way, y is equal to 23 into 1 divided by minus 23. Y is equal to 23 by minus 23. So 1 time. So y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 3. Y equal to minus 1. It's clear, children? Solve by cross multiplication method. Subdivision 3. 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 5. 3 by x minus 1 by y plus 9 equal to 0. It's clear, children? So now take down the solution. So 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 5. 3 by x minus 1 by y plus 9 equal to 0. Right, children? Now this can be written as 2 into 1 by x plus 3 into 1 by y plus y transfer that side minus 5 equal to 0. 3 by x as 3 into 1 by x minus plus of minus 1 by y, sorry, minus of 1 by y plus 9 equal to 0. Now put 1 by x, or let 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. Here also take let 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. So wherever 1 by x is there, you can make it as a, that is 2a. It's clear, children? 2a, right? Plus, now 1 by, in the place of 1 by y, in the place of 1 by y, you can put it and make it as what? b. 3b minus 5 equal to 0. It's clear, children? Same way, here 1 by x is there, you can make it as a, that is 3a. 3a minus, now 1 by y. The place of 1 by y, you can put what? b plus, is b plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, children? So now what you're going to do? You're going to take first equation and second equation. First you're going to find the value of a and b. You're going to find the value of a and b. Okay. So 2a plus 3b minus 5 equal to 0. Consider as first equation. 3a minus b plus 9 equal to 0. You take it as second equation. Now using the coefficients for cross multiplication. It's clear, children? Right. Now we're going to take coefficient as a, b and constant as 1. Okay. First always consider middle value b coefficient, that is 3 minus 1 minus 5 9 2 3 again 3 minus 1. So first you are going to calculate main diagonal. Okay, children, now see a divided by 3 9s are 27 minus 2 minus plus 5 1s are 5, right? It's clear. Main diagonal minus subdiagonal, that is equal to b divided by minus into plus minus 5 3s are. 5 3s are is what? 15, right? Minus 9 2s are 18, that is equal to 1 by plus into minus 2 1s are 2, so minus 2 plus minus 3 3s are 9. It's clear, children? So now you get a by 27 minus 5 is 22, that is equal to b by 8 plus 5 13, carry 1 minus 33 plus 1 by minus 11. It's clear, children? Now I'm going to compare this with this and here this with this. Okay, that is a by 22 equal to 1 by minus 11. Another is b by minus 33 is equal to 1 by minus 11. Now a by 22 into 1 by minus 11. So 11 ones are 11 2s are 22. A equal to plus by minus is minus 2. So a equal to 2. It's clear, children? Now b equal to 1 into minus 33 divided by minus 11. 11 how many times? 3 times. B equal to minus 3 by minus 1. So b is equal to plus 3. It's clear, children? B equal to plus 3. Now what you're going to do is, we are consider 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y equal to b, right? Now a value is what? Minus 2. So 1 by x equal to minus 2. So if you want to find x, you bring x this side and minus 2 down. That is x equal to minus 1 by 2. X equal to minus 1 by 2. It's clear, children? Now 1 by y equal to b. So 1 by y equal to, the place of b substitute 3. So 1 by 3 equal to y, right? Therefore the value of x equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. It's clear, children? Question number 2. Akshay has 2 rupees coins and 5 rupees coin in a purse. If in all she has 80 coins totaling rupees 220, how many coins of each kind does she have? See children, Akshay has 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin in a purse. Okay, first we have to consider number of 2 rupee coin and number of 5 rupee coin. You have to name it. Okay, then both the coins, okay, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, total coin in purse is what? 80 coins. Okay, totally she has 80 coins. Then the second condition, she has total of rupees 220. So the question is to find how many coins of each kind does she have. So let us see children. Solution. Let the number of 2 rupee coin be x. I consider 2 rupee coin as x. Same way, let the number of 5 rupee coin be y. It's clear children. Now by the first condition, by the given first condition, what is there? 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. So 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. So 2 rupee coin is x and 5 rupee coin is y. So total coin is what? 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin is 80. You consider this as equation number 1. It's clear children. Again by given second condition. Okay, what is the second condition is given? If 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin totally is how much? 220, right? 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, total is 2 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin is what? 2 into x, 5 rupee coin 5 into y, total is how much? 220. You consider this as equation number 2. Now see children, x plus y equal to 80, right? This can be written as x plus y minus 80 equal to 0. 2x plus 5y equal to 220. This can be written as 2x plus 5y plus 220 transfer this side minus 220 equal to 0. So I am going to use cross multiplication method, right? Using the coefficients for cross multiplication. It's clear children. Now I consider this as first. What is the coefficient? You first write x, y constant. Okay, so first is 1, 5 minus 80 minus 220, again what? 1, 2, 1, 5. It's clear children. Now x divided by plus into minus 220 minus formula, right? Minus 8 5s are 40, that is 80 into 5 is 400. 80 into 5 is 400. It's clear children. That is equal to y divided by plus into minus 80 into 2s are 160 minus of minus 220. It's clear children. Next, 1 by 5 1s are 5 minus 2 into 1 2. It's clear children. Now you can simplify. X by minus 220 plus 400, that is equal to y by minus 160 plus 220, that is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Now x by 0 minus 0 0, so 10 by 2 is 8, 3 minus 2 is 1, that is 180. X by 180, that is equal to y by 0 minus 0 is 0, 12 minus 6 is 6. So that is 60. That is equal to 1 by 3. It's clear children. So x by 80 equal to 1 by 3. Y by 60 equal to 1 by 3. So x by 180 equal to 1 by 3. Y by 60 equal to 1 by 3. So x equal to 180 divided by 3. 3, 6 are 18. So x is equal to 60. Okay, x equal to 60. Y is equal to 60 divided by 3. 3 to 20 times. So y is equal to 20. It's clear, children? So solute result. Number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 60. Number of 5 rupee coin is equal to 20. It's clear, children? Question number 3. It takes 24 hours to fill a swimming pool using 2 pipes. It takes 24 hours to fill a swimming pool using 2 pipes. Okay, you want to fill a swimming pool, it requires 2 pipes. It takes 24 hours. Okay, so if the pipe of larger diameter, is used for 8 hours. Okay, so larger diameter is used for 8 hours. Okay, and the pipe for the smaller diameter is used for 18 hours. Only half of the pool is filled. How long would each pipe take to fill the swimming pool? Okay, children, here in a swimming pool, if you want to fill a tank, it requires 2 pipes. The given condition is 2 pipes. So it takes 24 hours. So larger pipe has a diameter and it takes 8 hours, and the smaller pipe is used for 18 hours. So half of the pool is filled. The question is, you are going to find how long each pipe take to fill the swimming pool. It's clear, children? Let us see. Solution. Let the time taken by the larger pipe be x hours. Let the time taken by smaller pipe be y hours. What is the first condition is given? Yes. The first condition is time. Okay, actually it takes time. Time means 1 by x. Okay, larger pipe, 1 by y, smaller pipe. It takes how many hours? 24 hours. So 1 by 24 time taken. Okay, so you have to write like this. Then this is considered as first equation. By the given second condition, what is given in second condition? Yes. So second condition, 8 hours and the pipe of the smaller diameter is used for 18 hours. Okay. See, children, by the given second condition, half of the tank is filled. Okay. That means for here 8 hours and the pipe of the smaller diameter is used for 18 hours. Okay, so in 8 hours the larger pipe will be 8 by x. In 18 hours the smaller pipe will be 18 by y. So according to the condition, so larger pipe plus smaller pipe is equal to half of the tank. You consider this as equation number 2. It's clear, children? Now from equation 1, 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by x. That can be written as 1 by x plus 1 by y minus 1 by 24 equal to 0. 8 by x plus 18 by y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Let 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. Here also you take let 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. Okay children, now it would be a plus b minus 1 by 24 equal to 0. Here 8a plus 18b minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So taking LCM children, so 24a plus 24b minus 1 divided by 24 equal to 0. 24 into 0 is 0. So 24a plus 24b minus 1. It's clear children? You consider this as equation. Now here take LCM. 8 2s are 16a, 18 8 2s are 16, carry 1, 36b, 18 to 2 is 36b minus 1 divided by 2 equal to 0. 2 into 0 is 0, that is 16a plus 36b minus 1 equal to 0. It's clear children? Now I am going to using the coefficient, using the coefficient for cross multiplication. Okay children, now 24a plus 24b minus 1 equal to 0, 16a plus 36b minus 1 equal to 0. It's clear children? Now 24a, first start with coefficient of b. 24 36 minus 1 minus 1, 24 16, again 24 36. It's clear children? Right. Now cross multiply a by 24 into minus 1 is minus 24 minus of minus 36, that is equal to b by minus 16 minus of minus 24. 24 into 36, 24 into 36 minus 16 into 24. A by minus 24 minus to minus of minus 36 is the children. Now a by minus 24 plus 36, so a by 12. Next value is b by minus 16 minus of minus 24, so b by minus 16 plus 24, b by 24 minus 16 is 8. Next 1 by 864, right, that is 24 into 36 864, 16 into 24 is 384. It's clear children? So when you subtract this you get 480, right, that is equal to 1 by 480. Now I'm going to compare a with this and b with this. So a by 12 equal to 1 by 480, a is equal to 12 by 480, 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48. So a is equal to 1 by 40. We know that 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by x is equal to 1 by 40, 40 equal to x, so x is equal to 40. It's clear children? Same way b by 8 is equal to 1 by 480, b is equal to 8 by 480, 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48, 60, b equal to 1 by 60. Now 1 by y equal to b, 1 by y equal to b value is 1 by 60, 60 equal to y. It's clear children? To fill the remaining of remaining half of the food, time taken by the larger pipe, that is equal to 1 by 2 into larger pipe is what? 40, that is equal to 20 hours. Time taken by the smaller pipe, that is equal to 1 by 2 into smaller pipe is what? 60, that is equal to 30 hours. It's clear, children? This is the solution. By this we are completing exercise 3.13.